The BlastLogic Tablet lets you dynamically plan, manage and reconcile drill and blast in the field. Get to know its user-friendly interface through Maptek online training. Learn how to navigate the tablet and synchronise your data. Record hole length, water and temperature. And explore table views for quick reconciliation. Enter backfilling activity and identify long and short holes. Interpret charge sheets to determine the products for each hole. Load and update blast holes and modify products and primers to optimise your blast. Take shot fire notes to record blast conditions and summarise stock usage. View blast summaries, including total stock used and hole-by-hole information. Add comments post-blast to record observations such as misfires. And manage blast inventory, current stock, supply usage and items in magazines. Certify your learning with knowledge checks and an online exam. Streamline drill and blast design, tracking and analysis with Maptek BlastLogic Tablet online training. Find out more at maptek.com.